No two buildings are the same, which means that no two fires are ever the same. Because of this, it's extremely important that firefighters are able to identify the different types of building construction, especially during a fire or emergency. Target Solutions Building Construction course covers the major types of building construction and components, the related hazards, and understanding how the different types of buildings are affected by fire. Knowing the facts about building construction can not only assist first responders, but it can also save lives. For more information on this course or others like it, please contact Target Solutions today.